It is a first alert weather day. Take a look at this. A line of storms rolled through downtown Pittsburgh about an hour ago, and then just a few minutes ago, as a matter of fact. In fact, Ron, I was sitting here a moment ago, my watch started buzzing, and I look and it says, there's a lightning strike 2.5 miles from you.
Yeah, I heard the rumble right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, and I got a couple of things to show you, John. So let's get right to it, because a lot to talk about with this first alert weather day, both today and tomorrow. We do have a severe weather chance. Temperature up to 52 right now. Notice the dew point is at 48 degrees. I'm going to first show you temperatures, including, this is something that model data does not have, clearing skies just off to our west. So you're seeing places like New Philadelphia, the Cambridge area. They're clear, and look at those temperatures. I've bumped up our highs. Hey, we have a chance. We could actually get close to 70 degrees today for our high. I kept us at 66, and that's well above guidance right now. Still some rain out there in some spots, but this is what I want to show you and what's going on. So in order to see severe weather, one of the things that you need, one of the three ingredients you need moisture. And the way that we look at that is through our dew points. As we were waking up this morning, our dew points were in the 30s. First line of storms is now through. Our dew points are in the 40s. Later on at around 5, 6 o'clock, we'll have another line that comes in. That's when our dew points will get into the 50s, and that's the time period that we're going to look at for seeing the severe weather coming in. So you can actually see, here's the line, drier ahead of that, just behind it where we are now. We've seen those dew point numbers going up. Secondary line developing right here along the other boundary where the dew points are going to get into the 50s. All of this is going to come together. By the time we're in the overnight hours, those dew points up into the 50s, that's going to prime the pump, add to that instability where we have the chance for some strong storms coming through. Now, it looks like for us, most of these are going to be lightning storms, a lot of rain, some downpours, but some windy conditions with those also will be possible. Here's the rain right now, including what we just saw, John. You can see it right there around the Pittsburgh area, just kind of building on the backside of the system. We also had some rain up in the Butler area. That's now moved over to North Buffalo, over into Armstrong County. And here's those rain cells lifting out of downtown, but just off to the north, up into the North Hills is that we're dealing with that. Couple of rounds of rain. There's that form front, secondary front. It's going to bring that other surge of heat and moisture our way. So I do think you'll notice that model data at least doesn't really show us clearing with our skies this afternoon. I think we see some sunshine this afternoon. Most, if not all of your afternoon up until 5 o'clock, completely dry at this point. This rain's going to move out. What's here now will move out by 1. Our next round of rain doesn't get here until about 5 or 6 o'clock this afternoon. That sweeps through. That's when we start to have our chance for severe weather behind that next line of showers that comes through. Overnight tonight, a lot of lightning again, some gusty winds, some hail will be possible with each one of these cells that comes through. Couple of routes will be possible up until about noon, a little bit after noon tomorrow. That's when a cold front comes through. Windy behind this system, and in fact, by 2 or 3 hours later, this is at 5 o'clock on Wednesday, we're looking at a snow chance coming in, and our highs on Wednesday are going to be up into the 60s. So today I have us at 66, 64, your Wednesday high. Both days, storm chances will be there. Most of this comes in the overnight hours tonight. Cooler Thursday, chilly on Friday morning. Temperatures back up. Hey, we're near 70 again as we're wrapping up our weekend.